Hello everyone. Today in this video, you are going to learn how to check issuance, receiving and transfer posting of stock. You can do this with the help of two different transaction codes. One is MB5B and MB51, and both these reports can be exported to spreadsheet from SAP. This is the display of MB5B. In this display, you can give any material number and you can give any selection date. And if there is more than one material number, then you can select this box and you can give range of material numbers or more than one material numbers. Now, if the item pertains to batch stock, then we have to select the storage location / batch stock option and only materials handled in batches. Now, as you can see that you will be able to get the batch number, total receipt quantity, total issuance quantity, but you will not get the total value or say total receipt value or total issued value because we selected the batch stock option. Now, if we select the valuated stock option, which is recommended for non-batch stock items, then you will be able to get value. As you can see in the layout that we are getting the total receipt quantities, total issued quantities and total receipt and issued values if we selected the valuated stock option, but we are not getting any batch number here. So if you selected the valuated stock option, then you will be able to get the value, but you will not be able to get the batch number. So for batch stock, then it is recommended to choose the other option. Now this is the display of MB51. Here also you can give material number and posting date and you can run the report. The better thing or the better part about this report is that it has many fields, it has many columns available. So you can get the batch number also, you can get material description, storage location and amount and other useful information from this report. Now to the last part of my video, MB51 or MB5B, which one is better for the issuance, receipt or transfer purpose? So the factors which we can use to decide which T code we should use is number one, whether we want the total quantity or we want the individual quantity, because in MB5B you will be getting a separate column for total quantity issued or total quantity received. But in MB51, you will get individually quantity issued, quantity received until unless you give any movement type. And further, you have to press the sum button to know the total quantity issued or received or transferred. So MB5B will automatically give you the total quantity of any item or any material. But in MB51, you have to use the sum button to know the total quantity. The second part, whether you want the stock value or not. As we saw in MB5B that if we selected the batch stock option, we were not getting any value. But in MB51, irrespective of material, whether it is batch stock or non-batch stock, we will be getting the value. As we saw in the layout, the value option is available. Number third, whether you want the purchase order number or not. We saw in MB51 that there were many fields available and one of the fields, which is purchase order number, is also there, and this is useful in case of any item which we have received, because once we have processed the GRN, then after that we will be getting the purchase order number of that item in MB51. Further, for any item we can also know about its storage location and movement type in MB51. But in MB5B, we saw that the layout is very limited or has very limited information for further use. And if you want to know the storage location or movement type, we have to further go into depth for that item. So based on these items or factors, I would suggest that we should pursue MB51. And if we have further information about storage location and movement type, then it will make it easier for us to extract reports for issuance, receipt or transfer posting. So that's it guys from my side. I hope you like this video. Kindly like, share and comment and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.